We are going to analyze corrosion in this boat today. I have with my students of the course of corrosion, and we are going to enjoy the day. We are going to verify with the sure test, with the multimeter, with the voltmeter, with the silver chlorine electrodes, the condition of the boat in terms of corrosion. We are going to check if the boat is properly bonded, if the bonding is good, and we are going to start the process checking the pedestal. And between both of them, hot, neutral and ground, 0.04. Okay, the ground is good. The ground is good. Between ground and neutral, 121.5. Between ground and hot, 121.6. It's okay. Here is good. Yeah, it's connected with the bonding. Let me check this one. It's connected. The motors are connected with that bonding conductor. Okay. The strainer, no. The bracket, no. Can you touch with the water heater and you touch the bonding conductor, please?
Ah, no, that's no bonding. Yes. Oops. Nothing.
It's connected down there, but it looks pretty cool.
And has a cable connected, but it's not connected. Okay. All right. And we are going to let here suspended on the water, and we are going to tie it with some part of the rail probably. And after that, can you check here how can we? Can we fix it, or probably here, suspended over there?
Yeah.
Who is the camera? Who is the camera? Okay, great. And let me check. This one connected to the negative, and the negative here is out, and we are going to check in voltage DC. And we are going to touch, for example, this block. 0.3, no protection.
No protection.
Minus 0.3, you remember the table?
Yeah, 0.3 is no.
Minus 0.3, no protection. Okay, touch the water heater, please. Minus 0.2, no protection.
No protection.
Guys, we are going to connect again, and we are going to start the process to check with the sure test. We are going to analyze one outlet. The outlet is separated from the AC panel like 4 feet, 5 feet, something like this. It's not too much, no? And we are going to analyze if the phases neutral and ground are properly wired. We are going to check the voltage drop in this outlet. We are going to check the voltage of the system, and we are going to check the amps flowing with no load. Basically, we are going to do the analysis if we have leaks of current when we don't have load in that particular outlet. Okay, let me connect that one. Okay, you can approximate here the camera. That indicates that the hot, neutral, and ground are properly wired. Okay, and the voltage on the system is 122.9. It's good, that's normal. The voltage drop, look, it's too much, no? It's 8.4%. And this outlet is for 15 amps. That indicates that the outlet is for 15 amps. And look at the intensity flowing in that wire with no load in this moment is 0.002 amps. Remember, the table should be no more than 0.001. You have a little leak of current.